Hey there, VR enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to download games on your MetaQuest 3. Whether you're a seasoned VR user or a complete newbie, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your right controller and press the button. This will pull up your universal menu. This menu is your gateway to all the features and settings of your MetaQuest 3. Simple, right? Now, from the Universal menu, look for the Store icon and select it. The Store is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll find a wide array of apps and games to choose from. The selection is vast, ranging from immersive games to educational apps and everything in between. See something you like? Awesome! Just select the game or app you want to install. If it has a price, go ahead and select the price to purchase it. If it's free, just click on Free. And voila! Your download will start automatically. You can monitor the progress through the progress bar that appears. Once the download is complete, the app or game will be ready for you to play. Just return to your library and you'll find it there waiting for you. Easy peasy. And for those of you looking to upgrade your VR experience, you can get the latest MetaQuest 3 on Amazon. I've got the link in the description below. Go check it out. So there you have it. Downloading and installing games on your MetaQuest 3 is a breeze. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more VR tips and tricks. Happy gaming! Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. But wait, there's more. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions about your MetaQuest 3, don't hesitate to reach out to the community or check out the official support page. The VR community is incredibly supportive and always ready to help. Also, make sure to explore the various settings and customization options available in your MetaQuest 3. Personalizing your VR experience can make it even more enjoyable. And if you're into multiplayer games, don't forget to connect with friends and join VR communities. Playing with others can add a whole new dimension to your VR adventures. So, whether you're exploring new worlds, learning new skills, or just having fun, the MetaQuest 3 has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.